Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today I am making my own homemade clay, so let us start it. These ingredients are required for making this clay. This clay that I am making is called cold porcelain clay. I heat it in a microwave, but you can also use it on stove. For the microwave, I use in a glass bowl, and in case you are using it on a stove, use a non-stick pan that you are no longer use for the cooking. So that the very first thing, I added 1 scoop of white glue. You can also use a cup for measure these ingredients. And second, I will be taking the same ratio of corn flour. Next, I use white vinegar and baby oil. You can also use any colorless oil. Next, you want to mix all the ingredients very thoroughly. If all the mixture are ready, it's time to heat it on a microwave. I heat this in a microwave for 10 seconds. The clay is some lumps. Mix it thoroughly before it putting back in the microwave. This is how it looks at the second 10 seconds. Mix it properly. The third interval, you will see the clay is almost ready. At the fourth interval, it is ready. If the mixture is look something like this and it should be slightly sticky, take a small amount of the clay and rub it between your fingertips, and it should slightly sticky your fingers. So you can see the clay is just leave residue on my fingertips, and when I apply it on my palm, it should not leave any residue. That way you can check the clay is ready. So let's do the next step. So the clay is still warm, so be careful. I take down the clay from the bowl and I adding some cornstarch for the adjusting the consistency. If you feel that the clay is too sticky, add the more cornstarch. But make sure you add the small amount of the cornstarch at a time, that the clay does not become too stiff. And you feel it is too stiff, you can add a tablespoon of glycerin. Don't add water. Do this 2 to 3 minutes until it will get the texture. For the quality test, you pull a small piece of the clay. When you do so, it should form a teardrop like this. As you can see, the clay is perfectly made. This is a airdry clay, so it does not expose to air. You stored it very properly. I locked this clay in a good shape. I use a little bit of oil on it. I use a plastic wrap on wrapping. And I stored it in a good container. So that is for today. Bye bye.